Hi friends, today I want to explain split unit, how to wiring outdoor unit. This is phase and this is neutral and this is signal come from indoor unit relay. Okay, and after that line and common come to contactor. After that this is phase and this is neutral.
Then this one?
Is relay signal
Okay.
and this is neutral. Here,
Okay. From where?
From in here.
Okay.
From neutral.
Okay.
And now we want to wiring fan motor.
Okay.
You will see a diagram of fan motor on the nameplate. Okay, folks. After that we will explain. This is command running starting.
Okay.
Command put in the contactor in one terminal.
Okay.
Capacitor have 3 terminal. For this is common and this is fan 2 terminal and this is here for compressor and this for fan and this common.
Good.
We put carbon wire
This one is starting or?
starting put in fan
Okay.
and yellow wire put in.
This one which wire?
This is running.
Running. Okay.
Put in 4 terminal and one no problem wire is putting.
Okay.
Only putting like this. The fan is now is okay.
Okay.
It's still compressor.
Now next wiring is going to compressor.
This
Which one is?
Starting.
Okay.
Running.
Okay.
Common.
Okay.
Starting come to capacitor and here 3 terminal.
Okay.
1 point no problem wire.
Okay.
And
That one harm.
harm.
Here mentioned in harm. Okay?
harm, yeah.
Okay.
And what still running come to common. And common wire C come to phase directly.
Yeah, correct.
Put another
No, that's clear.
no.
Now this one clear. We are getting 3 also. Running, starting, common.
But
Now later we neutral. We need one neutral for capacitor. So what we'll do?
we take
We will take one wire from here, neutral.
from neutral and put in
Wire coming to neutral coming from
to running.
Okay?
Okay.
Clear. Now unit is running. Correct?
Okay. Now it is running.
After any components, if in case any troubleshoot, if in case outdoor unit not running, what is the troubleshooting?
We check compressor, fan motor, capacitor, contactor.
Okay. Times we are if in case outdoor unit not running, what we'll do first starting?
First check,
What checking?
checking capacitor,
Capacitor. Okay. After checking
contactor.
Contractor before we are check remove this one.
Before check you have multimeter. We remove this cover. We find plunger.
Okay.
Here 2 points.
Okay.
First, if they are not closed, we first check here. Put in fault electric current
Okay.
and check
For
check
power.
for power
How much voltage we are checking before?
from 22.
220.
220, and if they here, we will find them also here.
Okay.
This no problem in the contactor.
Okay.
And check coil, 1 point here, 1 point here. From
Okay.
24 to 28 volt will come.
220 voltage coming. It is good.
Is okay.
Okay. And another one step is sometimes what will happening? Turn off the unit. Later we will get continuity mode. You continue continuity mode and press
One here, one
here and press.
If you get continuity is good. You look.
Yeah,
continuity.
this one is a method
good.
of
This line is good. Another line is good also. This contactor is good.
Good. So this is the method of how to checking contractor and how to checking wiring also. Okay. Problem is only one is contractor burn and checking capacitor.
Good.
And later if in case not getting on, that time checking compressor. Okay, and later we will checking the fan motor. This is the concept of
split unit.
split unit. Okay. Thank you for